Hello everyone. In this session we are going to look at Markovnikov, anti-Markovnikov and oxymercuration demercuration assisted Markovnikov addition. Now let us take this example. When water is added, we get a secondary carbocation like this, right? That secondary carbocation will look like CH3. Because of electromeric effect, this carbocation is what that will be generated as an intermediate, and this will undergo 1,2 methyl shift, right? 1,2 methyl shift. This methyl group will shift like this, and finally you will get this product, right? This is according to Markovnikov addition. But when you take the same compound and subject it to hydroboration oxidation reaction, and you can expect anti-Markovnikov addition. Remember, anti-Markovnikov addition will be always syn addition, because the borane and hydrogen both will get added on the same side of the olefinic bond, and finally upon hydrolysis will give you the anti-Markovnikov product. This all we know that. But when the same compound is subjected to oxymercuration and demercuration, the reagents are mercury acetate in tetrahydrofuran, that is the first step, and in the second step demercuration, that is a reduction with sodium borohydride, which will give you the Markovnikov addition product without any rearrangement. Okay, and the only important point what we need to note here is the final product will be obtained without rearrangement according to Markovnikov addition fashion. Let us take another example to understand this clearly. See, when you subject this compound to oxymercuration and demercuration, this is the product, and this product is without rearrangement. Of course, there is a hydrogen that is attached over here. Upon electromeric effect, this hydrogen is bound to transfer to the neighboring carbocation so as to give you the more stable tertiary carbocation intermediate. And if you don't use this one, and if upon a normal Markovnikov addition will give you this product, which will form through tertiary carbocation intermediate. Oxymercuration demercuration is a two-step pathway to synthesize alcohols. The reaction is a stereospecific, that is, anti-addition is affected, leading to the trans stereometry. So during this addition, we avoid the formation of carbocation intermediate because of the formation of organomercury adduct. Okay, see here we can understand that in the first step, mercury acetate and OH will be added anti to each other, and the second step with sodium borohydride reduction will happen, and demercuration, mercury compound will be removed, and you will get this compound. So the addition will be always trans. Thank you, students. Happy